Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel 9 Mantras where we simplify health and wellness for you. Today we are discussing on a topic that impacts millions of lives but yet it is misunderstood. That is on varicose veins. These twisted enlarged veins are more than just cosmetic concern. They can significantly affect your well-being. So stick around to learn everything you need to know about these varicose veins, the causes, symptoms, treatments, tips to prevent them. And guys, just trust me, you won't want to miss this one. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Fatima, a clinical pharmacologist and an expert coach in pregnancy and parenting. So, what exactly are these varicose veins? Just think of this, okay? So, think your veins as highways carrying blood back to your heart. When the tiny valves in these veins fail, blood pools, causing the veins to swell and twist. This is what we call as varicose veins. They are most commonly seen in legs because of the gravity which makes blood flow back to the heart harder in this area. But don't worry, we will cover how to manage and prevent them. Let me give you a surprising fact. Study shows that up to 25% of adults worldwide deal with varicose veins. In India alone, nearly 10 million people are affected. And yes, men are catching up with women in these numbers. Women, however, are still at higher risk due to the hormonal factors. Isn't it shocking like how common it is? That's why it is very important to talk about it. Let's talk about the triggering factors or those top culprits causing this varicose veins. First and foremost thing is prolonged standing or sitting. See, jobs like teaching, retail, or some desk work can increase vein pressure. Pregnancy is a special phase where hormonal changes happen and increased blood flow happens during pregnancy, which can lead to varicose veins. Obesity is another dangerous thing. Carrying extra weight puts on pressure on your veins. Aging and genetics. Veins lose elasticity with age, and family history plays a huge role. And apart from this, lack of physical activities. Sedentary lifestyle is definitely a bad thing, right? So it slows down the circulation, which isn't a good news for your veins. Are you seeing a pattern here? Your lifestyle is the center for all this, right? So just take care of yourself. How do you identify this varicose veins? If you find heaviness or lot of pain in your legs, especially if it is throughout the day, if you find swelling in your ankles and feet, burning, throbbing, or cramping sensation in your legs, discoloration or dry, itchy skin near the affected area. In severe cases, even skin ulcers. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't brush them off as a simple fatigue. Now, let me tell you a real story of Priya. She's a 38-year-old teacher who spent years on her feet. She thought her leg pain and swelling were just for standing for too long, but it turned out to be varicose veins. By consulting a doctor early, Priya managed her condition through simple lifestyle changes and wearing those compression stockings. Today, she is back on her feet, healthier and happier again. So, the moral of this story is early action makes all the difference. So, there are various treatment options for varicose veins, okay, and this is the most, awaiting thing, right? So, yeah, there are multiple ways to manage varicose veins based on the severity. So, you can't go with each and every, type of treatment with varicose veins because treatment is decided based on the severity, right? So, let me break this down. So, first and foremost thing is lifestyle changes. Regular exercises, eating balanced diet, and avoiding long periods of sitting or standing can work wonders. Compression stockings. These are boon for people. These apply gentle pressure to your legs, improving blood flow and reducing symptoms. And there are also other minimally invasive treatments like sclerotherapy. A solution is injected to close smaller veins. There are also other therapies like laser therapy. Focused light treats veins without any surgery. And there is also other surgical procedure where it is called as vein stripping. For severe cases, the affected veins are surgically removed. So always consult a vascular specialist to choose the right treatment for you. Now let's talk about some preventive measures. Prevention is key, right? So I'll give you 5 easy steps to keep your veins happy. First thing is get moving. Walking, cycling, or even gentle yoga can boost your blood flow. Elevate your legs. Rest your legs on pillow for 15 minutes daily to relieve that pressure. Eat smart. High fiber food and plenty of water can prevent swelling and improve circulation. Dress comfortably. Avoid those tight clothing and high heels for prolonged periods. Take breaks. If you are sitting or standing for hours, set reminder and move around every 30 minutes. These small changes can make a big difference. Varicose veins can be managed, treated, and even prevented with right knowledge and steps. Don't ignore the signs, just take care of your vein health starting from today. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor by hitting the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and of course, subscribe to our channel 9 Mantras for more health tips. Together, we can build a healthier and happier community. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.